What is the biggest obstacle for industrial infrastructure projects in Southeast Asia? It is undoubtedly the riparian swamp and marine sedimentary soft soil stratum. This type of geology is a construction nightmare. Uneven soft soil thickness, extremely weak soil and poor permeability. It easily causes differential settlement, soil sliding and foundation instability. How to solve the construction challenges of deep soft ground? Indonesia Offshore Soft Ground Improvement Project. On-site footage of water loading preloading. The project is located in Kalimantan, Indonesia, with abundant water resources adjacent to the river. The water loading preloading and drainage consolidation method is adopted. Water storage loading combined with drainage system accelerates soft soil consolidation to improve foundation bearing capacity. Construction procedures. 1. Site leveling and zoning. 2. Installation of PVDs. 3. Laying drainage sand cushion. 4. Construction of partition cofferdams. 5. Embedding settlement and pore water pressure monitoring instruments. 6. Laying impermeable geomembrane. 7. Layered water storage and loading. 8. Constant load preloading for consolidation. Replacing earth fill preloading to reduce construction costs. Water loading preloading. Safe, efficient and eco-friendly soft ground improvement technology. Suitable for low-lying reclamation and large-scale deep soft ground projects near water. If you have soft ground improvement projects, welcome to follow SUNZO for professional construction solutions and quotations.